Hiya, truly ydw i. Dwi'n dansio gyda Jukebox Collective.
So fi yw Iestyn Gwyn Jones a fi'n nilo adran Bro Taf sy'n clocsio yn y prosiect yma.
Lizzie dwi. Dwi'n gweithio I Jukebox Collective. We're a community-rooted, youth-led collective based in Butte Town, and we run classes all across Cardiff.
Mae'n bod yn rili gyffroes gallu gweithio gyda grŵp sy'n dawnsio mewn ffurf gwbl wahanol I ni. A sio ffeindio'r fel tebygrwydd bach na really rhwng y ddau ffurf o dawns.
I think it's been really nice to see how two very different styles can come together, and it's really interesting actually how they're actually not that different and they have a lot of similarities, which is really nice.
Truly's an up-and-coming multidisciplinary performer, and she's a brilliant choreographer, so to see her take the leadership position and choreograph something and collaborate with Iestyn has been really exciting.
In the future, clog dancing is definitely something I'd like to give a go. It seems really difficult and it'd probably take me a while to get the hang of it, but yes, definitely something I'd like to try.
Ni wastad wedi trial defnyddio cerddoriaeth mwy modern yn ein grwpiau clocsio ni, jyst I apelio fwy at gymdeithas fodern a I bobl ifanc. A eto, mae wedi bod yn brosiect gwbl wahanol, gwbl newydd, gyda cerddoriaeth gwbl wahanol I be ni fel arfer yn clocsio gyda. Ond ie, mae wedi bod yn rhywbeth positif iawn a ni gyd wir wedi mwynhau.
So we'd like to thank ISET for asking us to be a part of this project and having this opportunity to collaborate. It's been really nice, so thank you so much.
So we're so thankful that the Earth have asked us to be a part of this project, and I really hope that it leads to future collaborations, so diolch.
Diolch yn fawr I Steddfod Dryrd am drefnu'r holl beth, mae wedi bod yn prosiect cyffroes iawn.